Present lahat yung mga representative ng BIFAR every region sa Luzon. So, yung content ng because malaki yung potential ng industry na to. It can help many farmers and also our government. Another day, another farm mga ka-iFarm.
One more! 1, 2, 3.
Another day, another farm mga ka-iFarm. Cons Mateo, I'm the CEO of the Sea Valley Agri-Farm Corporation. Right now, we are here at Manila, conference meeting ng BIFAR, to be exact, sa Sequoia Hotel, Quezon City. So, I received invitation from BIFAR that there will be a training. Pero sa akin, more on conference meeting siya. Present lahat yung mga representative ng BIFAR every region sa Luzon. So, yung content ng meeting is stakeholders consultation on the draft of BAC for crayfish commodity Luzon cluster. So, meaning, meron pang Visayas and Mindanao. Actually, 1.5 days yung meeting na to, pero natapos namin lahat kahapon. So, this is the second day. So, natapos na lahat, yung iba nagsiuwian na. Kaya nagkaroon rin tayo ng time para mag-video. I will just give you the summary ng meeting. They consider the crayfish as highly invasive species. That's why it is urgent to finalize the biosecurity. Wala pa kasi silang data and research about the environmental impact. That's why they need to contain it muna. So hindi yun bad news, no? It is normal since hindi ito native sa Philippines. Isang goal rin talaga ng BIFAR dito is to legalize the crayfish industry because malaki yung potential ng industry na to. It can help many farmers and also our government. For me, hindi ko pa pwedeng ilabas yung detail or yung full content ng meeting since hindi pa final at para hindi magkaroon ng confusions. They showed initial draft ng guidelines. Of course, seeking sila ng revision with the stakeholders. They call us also partners or the farm owners, which is good para masabi naman natin yung side natin at para hindi maging one-sided yung final guidelines. Still, I don't have the idea kung kailan lalabas yung final since tatapusin muna nila yung Visayas and Mindanao. That's why I'm encouraging the Visayas and Mindanao farm owners to also participate so that mapaganda natin lalo yung final result para sa ikabubuti ng crayfish farming industry. For me, I did my part to share some of my data based on my own research and development for them to confirm na lang. Para kahit paano mapabilis naman, and also I suggested some revisions and additions sa kanilang guidelines. And hopefully, mag-grant ito sa kanilang final output. For now, what I can advise sa mga existing and balak mag-alaga ng crayfish, that we really need to be responsible. Magkaroon tayo ng biosecurity sa area natin. We really need to contain it muna hanggat di pa natatapos yung research. Kasi yung BIFAR is pinoprotect nila yung mga native species natin sa Philippines. Isisingit natin tong video na to since this is urgent kasi sabi ko nga sa last video natin, magpapakilala tayo. I would like to thank BIFAR for the opportunity to attend this kind of meeting. Videographer sa lahat.
Yung sa ating technical working group headed by our Assistant Director Sid Belayo as our chairperson and ating mga divisions and regions and centers. Ito po yung ating mga naging activity for the crafting ng ating guidelines. So we had yung consultation.
We are nagdadalang ating NCR Director Ansuega. Dito naman ang to get to rate at ito. So anyway, it's a very fruitful discussions. Ang mga kasi dito, you serve industry, I call it industry kasi hindi lang sa lugar, it's nationwide na. It's Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. So, dito na yung hinihiling ng industry. Malapit na, no? Kaya lang, yun na, medyo manibalang siya. Salamat sa tulong nyo at nahinog yung ating guidelines na pinagtulungan natin. And we hope in the near future, hindi ito maging negative impact sa ating biodiversity. We hope na ito ay maging isang, alam niyo ba yung adapted natin na invasive species, yung tilapia, since 1950s. Sana ganun na. We hope, tulungan niyo kami, lalo na yung nasa industry, tulungan natin yung data. We hope with the initiatives of the IPAD and the National Coordinator, Sir Arnie, na makapag-provide ng budget for this para makasabay kami. Yun naman po kasi ang madalas na problema rito sa atin sa government. Kailangan ponduhan yung isang project o isang R&D para...
This is iFarm. iFarm to table, iFarm to market. The future is farming.